Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the heart of an aircraft's nervous system. Its electrical grid. We'll explore the critical tools that keep this system healthy and reliable, the battery and electrical system testers. You might think of an aircraft as a marvel of aerodynamics and engine power. And you're right, but without a stable, reliable electrical system, none of that matters. From the cockpit displays that pilots rely on for navigation and flight data, to the communication radios connecting them to the ground, to the lights that make night operations possible, it's all powered by electricity. And just like the human body needs a healthy heart, an aircraft needs a robust electrical system to function. That's where our unsung heroes come in. So, what exactly are these testers, and what do they do? Think of them as the ultimate diagnostic doctors for an aircraft's electrical health. These sophisticated devices don't just tell you if a battery is charged or not. They go much deeper. They perform a full checkup, measuring key performance indicators that reveal the true condition of the entire system. One of the primary components they scrutinize is the alternator, or in some larger aircraft, the generator. The alternator is the workhorse that generates electrical power once the engines are running. A tester will measure its output to ensure it is producing the correct voltage and current to power all the onboard systems and simultaneously charge the battery. An underperforming alternator could lead to a gradual loss of power in flight, a scenario no pilot ever wants to face. Next up is the battery itself. The aircraft battery is more than just a power source to start the engines. It's a critical emergency backup. If the primary generating systems were to fail, the battery is what keeps the essential flight instruments and communication equipment alive, giving the pilot precious time to navigate and land safely. A simple voltage check isn't enough. These specialized testers conduct what's called a capacity test or a load test. They apply a controlled, heavy electrical load to the battery to simulate the demands it would face in an emergency. This test reveals the battery's true health and its ability to hold a charge under pressure. A battery might show a full voltage but crumble the moment a real load is applied. These testers identify a weak battery before it becomes a critical point of failure. But the system is more than just the alternator and the battery. The integrity of the entire electrical circuit is paramount. This is where testing for grounding and voltage stability comes into play. A poor ground connection can cause all sorts of bizarre and intermittent electrical gremlins, flickering lights, faulty instrument readings, and communication static. It's like a kink in a hose. The water might still flow, but not reliably. Electrical system testers can detect these high-resistance ground points, allowing technicians to find and fix them before they cause trouble. They also check for voltage stability across the entire system. Fluctuations or drops in voltage can damage sensitive avionics, which are incredibly expensive to replace. The tester verifies that the voltage remains steady and within tight tolerances. Whether the aircraft is idling on the ramp or has multiple hydro systems running, like landing gear and flaps. In essence, these testers provide a complete, holistic view of the aircraft's electrical system. They don't just find problems, they help predict them. By tracking the performance of the battery and alternator over time, maintenance crews can establish trends and replace components before they fail, which is the cornerstone of proactive aviation safety. It's this rigorous, data-driven approach to maintenance that makes flying one of the safest modes of transportation. For every single flight, you can be sure that these invisible checks and balances have been performed, ensuring the electrical heartbeat of the aircraft is strong and steady. So, the next time you re on a plane and see the cabin lights dim for a moment as the engines start, you'll know that behind the scenes, a complex and meticulously maintained electrical system is coming to life. It's all thanks to dedicated technicians and the advanced testers they use to guarantee its reliability. Thanks for joining me today for this look into a vital part of aircraft maintenance. If you found this interesting, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of aviation technology. Fly safe, and see you in the next video.